Well, schools in Middle Georgia are open, but there are concerns about sending kids too young to get a COVID vaccine back to class, especially with rising COVID cases in our area.
41 NBC's Elizabeth Gutierrez spoke with local doctors who say education is as important as staying safe during the pandemic.
According to doctors in Macon, children under the age of 12 are not yet eligible to receive the COVID vaccine. And with students going back to class, it leaves unanswered questions of how safe it is to be in school. Ali-Kamran, Associate Medical Director for Piedmont-Macon, says there are things to look out for prior to sending your child to school.
If you have those symptoms like a fever, cough, runny nose, diarrhea, those are the kids that, parents should keep from sending to school until they are asymptomatic.
Kamran says children usually fare well if they do contract COVID. And as long as parents are teaching their children to wash their hands, social distance, and wear a mask, it will keep them from getting sick. This is a consensus among other doctors like Edward Clark. He's the medical director and chief of Beverly-Knight-Olson-Childrens-Hospital. According to Clark, make sure your child is getting their checkups.
We want them to be up to date on all of their other vaccines as well. So, you want to make sure you have seen your physician, had your yearly well child check. Make sure your hearing and vision is normal. We want to catch those things early as well.
Sherry Williams is a parent to an elementary and middle school student and is confident in the safety of her children while in school. Despite having to homeschool her kids last year, Williams says she doesn't want to overreact and knows her children need to be back in school.
The kids are wearing their masks, and then even throughout the day when the kids are coming home, the kids are like, they're extra cautious, and we are doing our part to stay, the social distance, and the teachers are really involved in making sure that the kids are keeping their masks on.
In Macon, Elizabeth Gutierrez, 41 NBC News.
And doctors encourage getting the vaccine for those who are eligible. They also recommend that people keep wearing their masks, social distancing, and washing their hands.